Hello once again, YouTube family. It's just exciting to unbox this with you guys. I've only got this yesterday and I haven't opened it. Okay, so I'm opening it for you guys. I'm about to travel to US and I thought I'm looking for something that I could do the crossbody bag, and been watching a lot of YouTube, and I thought, this is going to be the perfect travel bag, I hope. Yeah, and I'm going to do another video for you guys, after the travel, see if it's actually gonna be really good actually for travel as what other people said. And so yeah, I think this particular color is rare. It's called a bun, if that's how you pronounce it. It's brown color, and I've got the best SA to be able to just looking for crossbody bag, and I come across this bag, Herbag, and so he said they have it in stock. So I was shocked about it, and so I came following day, and I'm actually flying today to actually use it, right? So let's unbox it together. Actually haven't opened this, as I said, from yesterday, and so yep, we're gonna actually open it together. Not sure if you guys can see it. Ta-da! Just quickly, it's a big box, and wow, yes, I love it. I love the size actually, guys, and I love that it has this cross. I'm not sure, hopefully you guys can see it, but it just fits so perfect. And yeah, so I'm gonna learn more about how to actually use this, and I'm just so happy to unbox it with you guys. So it does have, I've got the it's like a dark brown in color in person, and it just matches the canvas fabric that we have going on here, and the brown stitching detail. And I think this is going to be like a game changer for this bag as well, because it's got that pocket right on the side. Very good for traveling, and I love that it's gold. And yeah, so it's got that also logo in there, so you can see at the back. And I believe let me just quickly open it up for you guys, what else is inside. Yeah, and they said this is the part where gets a bit complicated with the opening, right? As I told you guys, fresh out of the box. Okay, yeah. So so there's lots of compartment inside actually, and that's what's inside. Let me just quickly show you. And I've read a bit of a YouTube here where there's kind of like an angle where you can just leave it like that. You don't need to fully close it, which is excellent. So you could just carry it like that. And I've seen like a chain that I'm gonna buy soon to go really well with this one. It's kind of like a temporary closure that you put on here, so then it doesn't really keep opening, right? And I'm gonna show you guys that when I got it. But yeah, so it also comes with this pouch, which will come in very handy, right? So it's this one, and I'm happy that it's got a zipper, right? So that's just made it extra a little bit. And I think this is the lock. Whoopsies. Yeah, it is. And I think for me, I will definitely put it somewhere here, because it's just like an additional extra design for the bag. And if I may show, this is like all fabric. This is canvas, of course, and I've seen some of them do it upside, like inside out, like a cellier kind of thing. But I'm very happy with my new bag, super happy. Okay, and let me know comment down below if you have any questions at all. I believe this is like a rare color, and I'm just so, my essay is the best. Okay, I'm still waiting for my Birkin 30, so watch out, but I love it. It's a great travel bag, can do handle like that. And another one, which I love, this one. Actually, they said it's heavy, but it's not heavy. It's canvas, and yeah, I think that's why it's make it lighter. And so there you guys go, have it. I love it. Hermès, you know how they go into details. It's just extra. Look at this cute. Even this one's so cute. And this is how it looks like, guys, when I'm traveling, which is very soon. Alright, okay. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye for now. Comment down below if you have any question or if there's anything that you guys want me to review for you. Bye for now.